I've put a list of tools and materials that you'll need for this drawing in the description, but I'll give you a quick rundown right now. Of course you'll need oil pastels, and for this drawing we'll be using mainly fall colours such as red, orange, yellow, browns, black and a bit of white for the highlights. Acid-free cardstock or thick watercolour paper will do well for this painting. You'll need some paper to cover your drawing while you work so you don't smudge it, and some paper towels to clean your pastels and brushes. You'll also need some thin cardboard to draw a circle to cover your sun, some masking tape, a small paintbrush for blending, and a bigger paintbrush to dust away all the bits of pastels that you don't need on your drawing. Importantly, you'll need some oil for blending your oil pastels. I prefer flaxseed oil, but you can use baby oil. And very importantly for this project, you'll need some toothpicks because we'll be doing a technique called Sgraffito. So it's a constant back and forth of building up colour just to get a rich texture and then blending it out with a bit of oil. As we move from the centre of the page, we'll gradually get darker as we get to the front. The technique we'll be using to make this drawing extra special is called Sgraffito, which basically is scraping off layers to reveal the colours below. You may recall using this technique as a child when you used paint over the top of a waxed crayon and then scraping it off to reveal the colours below. Now we'll use the Sgraffito effect, the scratching technique, to get some rich textures on the trunk of our tree and for the leaves. We're going to use white pastel to create some highlights on the landscape and around the sun and also along the tree. So there we have it, a beautiful fall landscape drawing. Please remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you much love. Peace.